See electrical connection lights. Wow. And these things are, man, these things are tiny. Look how bright they are though. Woo, see, yeah. Man. And you guys for 2018, 2019 stuff, you need to stop at electrical connection and get some of this stuff done. Man, these things are just, they're so out of the inconspicuous.
Invisible.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Exactly.
Even when they're off.
Right. Wow. Man. What else have you done on this one? That
This has got the new DCT flasher. So if you've got the parking brake,
yeah.
when the parking brake is on,
Let me come over here on this side.
instead of ending up with just a solid light that you can't,
Right.
you know, isn't paying any attention to, actually modulates it. So this is going to be phase 1 of 3 products.
Okay.
The second product is going to be a beeper. So you'll actually have an audible signal to let you know that you have the parking brake on.
Oh, okay.
The third phase, and probably the trickiest of all 3, is going to be an interconnect between the parking brake switch and the side stand switch.
Yeah.
If you turn the motor on, it will, and the side stand is down, or the parking brake is on, it won't let it go into gear.
Oh, okay.
Right now, you can turn the parking brake on and ride off with it on. We're going to fix that.
And that's probably not a good idea.
Smoke up your brake.
Smoke up the, yeah. Wow.
Glaze the pads over.
Yeah.
Yep. The parking brake engages the rear brake enough that it stops the bike from rolling. You can roll with it on. This bike's got enough power. That's not an issue.
Oh, wow. Wow. And what about, is this a windshield y'all been putting on?
This is. We partnered up with National Cycle. This is the V-Stream. We have this demo that shows all 3 heights.
Yeah.
So the 22 is the low, 23 is this line, that is the standard, same height as OEM, 24 is the tall. Their red demo bike over here has the brand new special edition in it.
Oh, okay.
Which is absolutely gorgeous. Uses the original Honda style vent. It's got flaring built in.
And y'all are installing these at your place in Knoxville?
Yes, sir.
Wow. That's a good looking windshield.
It is nice.
Yep.
This is the debut. Nobody's seen these before until Wingding. And we had the first 4 that came off the production line here in Nashville.
So they can order these from you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Good deal. Wow. Anything else we got going on we need to see?
Got a bunch of new stuff coming down the pike, just not quite ready for it yet.
I got you.
This bike has got our new cup holder assembly on it.
Okay.
I don't like to have things inside my cockpit, so I try to come up with a different way. So there's a safety lever on the back that you have to engage before you can remove it.
Oh, okay.
So it's got a 6mm hole on the side, so you can add a ram ball.
Okay.
You can add a 3/8 ram ball on the top if you're not going to go with the cup option. And the way the cup works, when you put this back down, the lever goes in. Flip the safety. If the safety's on, you cannot take this off.
Okay.
It will not fall off the motorcycle. Billet aluminum. We went over the top of the original master cylinder top plate. And the reason we did that, no issues with sealing.
Okay.
So that way we're compressing the original cover.
Oh, gotcha.
And the last piece are the new trunk lights.
Oh.
We've been working on these for about a year.
Yeah.
They're basically ready to go. Multi-function, red running light, red brake light, amber turn signal. And we shut off the red so there's complete differentiation between red and amber. That way you know the signal's on.
Oh, wow.
And at night, behind the bike, these lights are brighter than the OEM taillights.
Oh, okay. What about this? Is that license plate? Is that you?
This license plate is us. This reflector replacement light is us.
Okay. Now, do you make, is this just for 2018, 19? Do y'all make something for previous
We got
generations?
versions for the previous gen, but this one is specific to this bike.
I got you.
So what we did is we did a glow lens to match the glowing of the OEM taillight.
Wow.
I really try and make sure that whatever we do on the back of this bike looks like it came from the factory. We don't want it to look like aftermarket.
Okay.
That's why our lights are semi-shaped like OEM.
Yeah.
Again, if you up on it, you can see the individual diodes, but standing off from it, it has that glow effect like the OEM light.
Gotcha. Nice. Well, there you go, YouTube. We got a bunch of cool products from Electrical Connection. You need to see Lewis. He's in Knoxville, Tennessee, and everything. And check out his stuff, especially if you get the new 2018, 2019. I've had some work done on my 2008, though. I'm really pleased with. So thanks for watching this.
He makes the best product available, lighting, LED. You want it, come get Electrical Connections. Lewis Preston's people.
Dano photobombing back here. And also, don't forget to
hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's right.
Bring everybody else along for the ride.
That's right. Get the popcorn. Get the peanuts. Cokes.
Cracker Jacks, we don't care now.
Cracker Jacks, that's right.